Fanta yellow, sweet, sweet, Fanta yellow.
Ona guys, what is this? What is this? In the next few days, in the next series to come, I want to reduce this na nifike mpaka hivi. Hapa nilikuwa hivi. I was like this before. So I want to reduce all of this. I want to cut all of this. Nataka nirudi soko, nirudi form. So guys, nikiendelea na hii kureduce, pia mnisaidie, mnifollow, mnisubscribe. Follow to subscribe channel as we continue. Endelea na mimi kwa hii journey to make sure nimefika hivi, si ndio?
B&B on the beach. I don't care what they say about me, my life. Everybody on me. I don't care what they say about me, my life. B&B on the beach.